Alright, the next idea we've got is discounts. So hopefully you already know what a discount is, but if you're not so sure, a discount is just the opposite of a markup. So a markup is a profit that's put on top of the cost of an item for the hard work that someone's done. A discount is a reduction in the price of an item, and that can be for assorted reasons, like they want to get rid of stock, or they really need people to buy it. Okay, they're reducing the price so that people will purchase these items. Now, if an item is discounted, its price is obviously less than it originally was. And just like markups, discounts are also usually expressed as percentages. And so we have this idea of the net cost rate. Now, you could just work out how much the discount was, because you know what percent of the original price is, and then subtract it. But it's actually easier for you to think about if a discount expressed as a percentage, then the net cost rate, this new idea, is 100 take that discount percentage. If that's not clear just yet, you can think about the net cost rate as being how many percent of the original price you are paying. So if I went through with this laborious thing, but I might as well go through it. If let's say the discount was 20%, your net cost rate is 100 take X percent, which is 100 take 20%, which is 80%. You could have done that in your head. That's easy. If you know something's discounted by 20%, how much of the original price are you paying? You're paying 80% of it. 100 take 20 is 80. Okay? So that leads us to this new formula, like we've been using formulas this whole time, of net price equals the original price times by the net cost rate, which we said is 100 take X percent. Okay, and then I'll put a blue square around that because I've been trying to do that with formulas, where X is the discount percentage. Alright, so let's try and move this screen. I've been practicing on how to use this thing. Let's try a question. I might just use the example from the book because it's in front of me right now. Find the net price. What is a net price? If original price was... No, actually, let's change it. Let's change it from the question. Let's make it $90. The original price was $90, and discount of 16% was given. Alright, so what do we know? We don't know the net price. That's what we're trying to find out. What was the original price? $90 times by... What was the net... What do we call it again? What was the net cost rate? In brackets. Well, what's the discount percentage? 16. So you're going to be doing 100 take 16%. So it's going to be 90 times by... What is it, 84? That's one of those silly things I need to check in my calculator again. 100 take 16. Because I just don't trust myself. 84%. 90 times by, what is 84 as a decimal? Let's do that off to the side here. 84% divided by 100 is going to be 0.84. So 90 times by 0.84. Let's just check that on a calculator. That's going to be $75.60, a net price for that. So that's one way of using the formula. Let's quickly do another way of using the formula where you have to substitute for a different variable. So let's say if $99 was paid after a discount of, let's make it 22%. What was the original price? So again, we're using this formula. We just know different things. We know what the net price was. We know what was paid for in the end. We're trying to work out what the original price was, knowing the discount. So let's put in what we know. $99 equals original price times by what was the net cost rate. It was 100, take 22%. Just double checking that we have all the elements of this formula. We got net price, which we've written, original price, and the net cost rate. So we're all good there. So 99 equals original price times by, what's 100, take 22, I think it's 78, just double check, 78%, 78 as a decimal is 0.78 times by 0.78. So now you need to use algebra to get rid of this. What is the opposite of timesing by 0.78? Dividing by 0.78. They cancel. You need to balance it by doing the same on the other side. So 99 divided by 0.78 is 126.9230769. That's what we're saying is the unrounded original price. So your statement will be original price. This pen's freaking out. He's going to be 126.92 to 2 decimal places. So hopefully all those calculations are correct. Hopefully that helps you out with using algebra for this new formula for discounts, and catch you next time.